In a secluded valley, surrounded by green hills and dense forests, lay the small village of Sunshine Grove. Two families, the Eagles and the Bears, lived in this village and had been enemies for generations. The cause of their feud lay so far back that no one in the village knew the true reason anymore. Yet, distrust and resentment shaped the daily lives of the villagers. Emma, the daughter of the Eagle family's patriarch, was a warm-hearted and intelligent girl. She was known for her kindness and helpfulness and dreamed of a time when the people in the village could live together in peace and harmony. Tobias, the son of the Bear family's patriarch, was a courageous and spirited boy. He had a big heart and longed for a time when the two families would put aside their differences and work together for the welfare of the village community. Despite the animosity between their families, Emma and Tobias secretly became friends. In the quiet moments when they were unobserved, they met on the banks of the river that flowed through the village and shared their dreams and hopes for the future. Their friendship grew and became a symbol of what could be possible if the people in the village could overcome their conflicts. One fateful day, a massive storm hit the valley, and torrential rain turned the river into a raging torrent. Emma was swept away by the floodwaters, and when Tobias saw her struggling for her life, he did not hesitate for a second to rush to her aid. With his last ounce of strength, Tobias reached Emma and pulled her out of the water. The villagers who had witnessed the brave actions of the boy were deeply moved. In this moment of crisis, they became aware of the tragedy of their centuries-old feud. Spurred on by the courage of Emma and Tobias, the village elders decided to organize a reconciliation feast for the Eagle and Bear families. On this special day, the families came together to eat, sing, and share their stories. It was a celebration of friendship, forgiveness, and hope for a better future. The heads of the two families, deeply moved by the events and the newfound sense of community, decided to build a bridge together across the river. This bridge, which they named the Bridge of Forgiveness, was to be a sign of reconciliation and cooperation between the families. As the sun slowly set on the horizon, bathing the village in golden light, Emma and Tobias solemnly cut the ribbon that symbolically still separated the bridge. Amidst the applause and cheers of the villagers, they stepped onto the bridge and walked hand in hand to the other side of the river. The Bridge of Forgiveness became a symbol of a new era of peace and unity in Sunshine Grove. The villagers realized that forgiveness and understanding formed the foundation for a happy and harmonious community. The story of Emma, Tobias, and the Bridge of Forgiveness spread far beyond the valley and touched the hearts of people in many other villages and towns. It became an inspiration for those who longed for reconciliation and peace, and reminded them of the power of forgiveness and understanding to heal old wounds and create a better future for all. In the following years, Sunshine Grove grew into a place of cohesion, friendship, and love. The villagers nurtured the memory of the Bridge of Forgiveness and the brave act of Emma and Tobias by passing their story on to each new generation. In this way, the message of forgiveness and reconciliation became a legacy that would live on forever in the hearts of the people. As time went on, Sunshine Grove became known far and wide as a village that had transformed itself from a place of conflict to a haven of peace and unity. The story of Emma, Tobias, and the Bridge of Forgiveness continued to inspire countless individuals in their own quest for healing and understanding. Children from the village would often play on the Bridge of Forgiveness, laughing and running hand in hand, embodying the spirit of unity that now defined the community. Their joyful voices served as a constant reminder of the power of forgiveness and the importance of overcoming differences for the greater good. Visitors who came to Sunshine Grove marveled at the beauty of the bridge and the remarkable story behind it. Many left with a renewed sense of hope and a determination to bring the spirit of forgiveness and unity back to their own communities. The Bridge of Forgiveness stood as a testament to the enduring power of love, understanding, and reconciliation. It was a beacon of hope that shone brightly, not just in the village of Sunshine Grove, but in the hearts of all those who heard its story and chose to embrace the healing power of forgiveness.